Hi, my name is Sam. I need to talk about vitamin. Vitamins are organic compounds that are essential for normal growth and development of the human body. They are required in small amounts for the proper functioning of various physiological processes, such as metabolism, immune system function, and the maintenance of healthy skin, hair, and nails. There are 13 essential vitamins that are classified into two groups, water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins, which include vitamin C and the B vitamins, are not stored in the body and must be replenished daily through the diet or supplements. Fat-soluble vitamins, which include vitamins A, D, E, and K, are stored in the body's fatty tissues and can accumulate to toxic levels if consumed in excess. Each vitamin has a specific role in the body. For example, vitamin C is important for the production of collagen, a protein that helps to maintain healthy skin, bones, and cartilage. The B vitamins are essential for energy production and the functioning of the nervous system. Vitamin D is important for the absorption of calcium and the maintenance of strong bones, while vitamin A is important for vision and immune system function. It is important to maintain a balanced and varied diet to ensure that you are getting enough of all the essential vitamins. If you are unable to get enough vitamins from your diet, you may need to take vitamin supplements. However, it is important to speak to a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, as some vitamins can be harmful in high doses or can interact with certain medications.